Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Today we will discuss how to change the background color and font size in command prompt. So first we will type window R and here we will type CMD and click OK. So our command prompt window will be open, right? So here right now our background color is black, font color is white and the size of the font is around 72. So simple, we will right click here. We will get a option properties, then click here and here color option is there. So just click here and after that screen background is already selected. So we will select here white color. So our background color will be converted into white. Here we can see in the preview. Now we want to change the color of our font. So we will click on screen test and we will change the color from white to black. So we can see here in preview. Now we want to change the size of the font. So we will click here font and we can reduce the size from 72 to 28. So here we can see in the preview and we can also activate the bold font. So just click here. So we can see here that our CMD background color is white, font color is black and the size of the font is 28. So that was the agenda for today folks. So I hope you have learned something new. So till the next video, I am signing off. Take care.